Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Gather all ingredients and measure precisely before you start. Use 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 3 cloves garlic for the aromatic base. Measure 6 cups vegetable broth, 1 14 oz can diced tomatoes, a 15 oz can cannellini beans, and 1 cup dried small pasta to avoid overcooking. Chop 1 zucchini and 1 cup green beans into bite-sized pieces, rinse the beans, and set aside 2 tablespoons tomato paste and 2 cups chopped spinach for later. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large pot over medium heat and sauté the onion, carrots, and celery for 5-7 minutes until softened and translucent. Add 3 cloves minced garlic and cook for 1 minute. Then stir in 2 tablespoons tomato paste to caramelize briefly before adding the 14 oz diced tomatoes. Pour in 6 cups vegetable broth with 1 tsp dried oregano and 1 tsp dried basil. Simmer 15 minutes. Add the rinsed 15 oz cannellini beans. When the pasta is al dente, remove the pot from heat and stir in 2 cups chopped spinach so it wilts gently. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors. This recipe yields about 6 servings at roughly 1.5 cups per person. Serve with grated Parmesan and a drizzle of olive oil or chopped parsley. Cool leftovers quickly. Refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze portions up to 3 months. And for best storage results, cook pasta separately to prevent mushiness when reheating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.